Clean everyday messes with ease using the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean cordless handheld vacuum. The 16-volt max battery provides cordless versatility and high-performance suction you expect from dustbuster vacuums. Access hard-to-reach places with a slim nozzle pull-out crevice tool and attached flip-up brush. Cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter for consistent power. Cleaning up is hassle-free with a bagless dirt bowl that empties easily. Filters are reusable and washable. Clean often for optimal suction from your vacuum. Portable, rechargeable, and lightweight, this handheld vac is perfect for both use around your home and in your car. That's easy by design.